Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about nested loop, a loop inside another loop. So, first of all, create for loop. Here, I is the variable and assign a value like 1 or 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus. And fmt print p must be capital, outer loop I value and here create j variable, assign 0 or 1 and j less than is equal to or less than 5, j plus plus, and here is the loop body. And print fmt print ln inner loop j value and remove this statement. Run the program and here you can put new line and also put here or new line. Run the program and first of all outer loop I value which is 1, then inner loop j value 0, inner loop j value 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that outer loop I value 2, then inner loop again executed 5 times. So if suppose I started from 1, 2 and also 2 times, so 3, 3. So outer loop I value 1 and inner loop executed 2 times, then outer loop executed and the value of I is 2 and the inner loop executed 2 times. The rule is that once outer loop executed one step, all the statement inside the outer loop will executed completely. It completely execute on the basis of condition. So inner loop is executed 2 times according to the condition. This is very important. We can use it in bubble sort like merge sort. In practically we are using nested loop frequently. Thank you for watching this video.